Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learning Upfront. Are you planning to buy a new laptop but confused? Then this video is definitely for you. Today, in this video, I have chosen some value for money laptops with future-proof configuration. And friends, I have also included a bonus laptop for you in this video, so be with me till the end. Though there are multiple factors which one must consider while selecting a laptop, like processor, RAM, display, audio quality, graphics card, etc. But out of these, the most important is processor and the number of cores which decides its processing speed. Therefore, in this video, I have included laptops with high configuration having hexa-core and octa-core processors, which are worth considering for high-end programming applications and heavy gaming. And let me make this thing very clear to you friends, this video is not sponsored. So please subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and then press the bell icon and click on all. Now let's get started. The solution to your dilemma is Asus TUF A15 and its variants. Why? Because these are the latest one in the market and also the most value for money laptops with the best configuration. All these models come with a very powerful AMD processor. The first model is Asus TUF A15 with Ryzen 5 4600H processor. And here comes the reason for including this laptop in this video. It has 6 cores with 12 threads. It has 8GB DDR4 RAM with clock speed of 3200 MHz, which can further be upgraded up to 32GB. This laptop uses the latest generation of storage, that is the solid state drive. Yes, it has 512GB of SSD. If you think that this much storage might not be sufficient for you, then need not to worry, as it comes with a provision of storage expansion. You get an empty 2.5-inch SATA slot for HDD expansion. Let me tell you guys, SSD is a much more faster storage device as compared to HDD, and it also enhances the overall performance of the system. Moreover, I will be making a separate video on this, so please subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. Now coming to the graphics card, it has a dedicated 4GB NVIDIA graphics card, which I consider is more than sufficient for gaming, video editing, and other such high-end processing tasks. It has a 15.6 inches LED backlit Full HD anti-glare display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. It also comes with a preloaded genuine Windows 10 with lifetime validity. Now coming to the second model, this has almost similar configuration as the earlier one, but with a difference in the storage space. Talking of the processor, it's the same as in the previous model, that is Ryzen 5 4600H, having 6 cores and 12 threads. It also has the same 8GB RAM with a provision to upgrade it up to 32GB. The difference lies in the storage capacity. It has 1TB HDD along with 256GB SSD. The graphics card is also the same 4GB NVIDIA DDR6. Display is again 15.6 inches LED backlit Full HD anti-glare with a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and it also comes with preloaded Windows 10. Now coming to the prices, both of these models are priced around 60,000 Indian rupees each. For exact price and the latest offers, you can click on the links given below in the description. Friends, before proceeding further, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe. The next variant in this series comes with even a more superior processor, that is Ryzen 7 4800H with 8 cores and 16 threads. It has 8GB DDR4 RAM with clock speed of 3200 MHz, which is upgradable up to 32GB. This model again comes with 512GB SSD, which can further be expanded using the empty 2.5-inch SATA slot. The graphics card in this variant is 4GB NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti GDDR6 with dedicated GPU, which further upgrades your PC for a better performance while playing the latest games. This model also comes with 15.6 inches LED backlit Full HD anti-glare display with a refresh rate of 144Hz and preloaded Windows 10. The fourth model also has almost the similar specifications as the previous one, except the storage capacity. The processor is the same Ryzen 7 4800H, having 8 cores with 16 threads. RAM is again 8GB and expandable up to 32GB. The storage in this laptop is 1TB HDD with 256GB SSD. So again, if you are looking for a high-end laptop with large storage capacity, this model is worth considering. The graphics card, the display and the operating system all are the same as that in the previous model. Now coming to the pricing, both of these laptops fall in the range of 75,000 Indian rupees. Of course, you can check the exact price and the latest offers by clicking on the links given below in the description. Now here we come to the bonus laptop about which I told you at the beginning of this video. This is yet another variant of Asus TUF A15 that comes with Ryzen 7 4800H processor having 8 cores with 16 threads. The storage capacity, display, graphics card and the operating system all are almost the same except the refresh rate of the display, which is 60 Hz in this model. And now friends, here comes the best part of this laptop. This model has 16GB RAM, that is 2 slots of 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz dual channel RAM, which is further upgradable up to 32GB, and the price is also approximately the same as that of the previous variants with octa-core processors. So this is a must-buy option for high-end programmers and gamers. For the detailed specifications and the prices of all these laptops, don't forget to click the links given below in the description. Friends, if you want to watch the Hindi version of this video, please visit our channel Learning Upfront Hindi. The link is again present in the description. Please like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Then press the bell icon and click on all. Friends, see you next time. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching this video.